everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ramen Egg Onigiri. I'm going to put the whole ramen egg into onigiri. It's very filling and it's delicious. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need. Some ramen eggs. I made them the day before yesterday, so the eggs are soaked in the broth over 2 nights. Some cooked Japanese rice, it's lukewarm. Nori seaweed, sliced green onion, and some salt. Let's separate the eggs and the broth. So prepare strainer and the bowl. Eggs in the strainer and the broth in the bowl. Put some rice in a large bowl. The rice is lukewarm. And let's add the broth I separated from the eggs. For this amount of rice, I'm adding 4 to 5 tablespoons. Let's start with 4. Some sliced green onion. And mix it well. I think I can add 1 more tablespoon. Okay, the rice is ready. Let's cut the nori seaweed into onigiri size. It's longer here and shorter here, and I'm going to cut it into 3 strips, like this. And I have 3 nori seaweed all together. Fold 1/3 in, fold it backwards, and cut. Fold them in half, fold them backwards, and cut. Nori seaweed has front side and back side, or shiny side and rough side. When you put onigiri, you put it on this rough side, so the shiny side goes outside of your onigiri, so it looks prettier. So here I have everything ready. Seasoned rice, some salt, bowl of water to keep my hands wet all the time, ramen eggs, and onigiri size nori seaweed. Using this bowl of water, wet your hands completely to the palm, but not too soggy. Take some salt, rub it all over your palm. Put some rice on your palm, spread it up. Put 1 ramen egg on top, some more rice to cover the egg, and try to make it into triangle shape. Like this, and put it on the nori seaweed, rough side facing up. Wrap it up, tuck the bottom in, and ramen egg onigiri is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.